Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to take in-depth look on Cecotec Ready Warm Thermal. About this item.
Parts and components: control panel, power switch, stands, temperature sensor, wall support accessory, remote control, on or off, display, schedule, up, down, day mode, night mode, anti-frost mode, lock, mode, Monday to Sunday, power indicator, hour, temperature hour. Product assembly, floor assembly, wall assembly, operation, automatic lock. The electric radiator can be operated manually or programmed. Manual. 3 operating modes. Turning the device on. Thermostat. Reset. Programmed. 3 operating modes. Setting current time and day. Setting weekly schedule. Resetting the current time and day. Adjusting temperature under programmed mode. Remote control. Information requirement for the electric local space heaters. Specifications. Troubleshooting. Warning.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.